Welcome to Brindavan, a Parthasadi family Samarpanam to our beloved parents, a space for enjoying Vaishnava Sampradaya, slokas, songs, Divya Desa Pasurams, and much more. Namaskaram Bhagavatas. Today we will have the Anubhavam of the fourth part of Tirupavai and Divya Desams. We'll start from Pasuram 21 and finish with Vaditirramam and Andal Tirukkalyanam. We dedicate this to our parents, Rajalakshmi and Srinivasa Iyengar, and Kamala and Seshadri. Our mission of Vrindavan will focus on 4 pathways to Vaishnava Pasurams and slokas in Santai form, Pasurams and slokas as music, Divya Kshetra Mahimai, and classical art forms. Ramanuja Daya Patram Jnana Vairagya Bhushanam Srimad Venkatanathāryam Mande Vedanta Desikam Sri Sailesa Daya Patram Deepatyadi Gunadhamam Yatindra Pravanam Mande Ramyaja Mataram Munim. Our Dandavat Pranams and Dhanyavad to Professor Uve Gomatam Seshadri Ramkumar Swamin for teaching us Tirupavai with Arthabhavam. Dhanyosmi to Vainika Aarti Parthasarthi for the Nada Seva on the Veena for the 26th Pasuram Male Manivanna and Male Mattinal song for Andal Kalyanam. The following organizations have provided a wealth of knowledge on the internet for us to enrich and enjoy, some of which have been used here. Vaishnava Sampradayam, Anudinam.org, Prapatti, and Divya Desams. Tirupavai has 3 Taniyans. The first was sung by Parasara Bhattar. Neela Tungastanagiri Tati Suddham Udbodhya Krishnam Paratyam Swam Sriti Sada Siras Siddham Adhyapayanti Svochishtayam Srajinigalitam Yabalat Krityabhunkte Goda Tasyai Nama Idam Bhuya Evastu Bhuyaha. The second and third Taniyan were made by Uyyakundar. Anna Vayal Puduvai Andal Arangarku Panna Tirupavai Palpadiyam Innisayal Padik Kodtal Narpamaalai Poomalai Soodik Koduttalai Sollu Soodik Kodutha Sudarkodiye Tolpavai Padi Arulavalla Palvalayai நாடினி வேங்கடவர்க்கென்னை விதியென்ன இம்மாற்றம் நாம் கடவா வண்ணமே நல்கு. Namaskaram Bhagavatas. In this Tirupavai and Divya Desams, we come to the 4th part where Andal Nachiyar comes and sings the glory of Bhagavan to Sri Krishna himself. In the first part, she tells us what is Pavai Nombu, and she says how Narayanane, that is only Sriman Narayana, can give us moksha. Then she gets all her friends together. That is the next 10 pasurams, where she is waking up all the gopis in Ayarpadi. Goes to each one of their houses and brings them. In the third part, we see how getting the blessings of all elders of the family is very important before we do anything. So Andal Nachiyar shows us how she goes and sings to Nandagopa, Yashoda Mata, Napinnai, and asks them the permission to meet with Lord Krishna. After getting their blessings, now the 4th part, she comes and she sings to Perumal himself and tries to wake him up. The first of the Pasuram is 21st Pasuram, where she sings, ஏற்ற கலங்கள் எதிர் பொங்கி மீதளிப்ப மாற்றாதே பால் சொரியும் வள்ளல் பெரும்பசுக்கள் ஆற்றப் படைத்தான் மகனே அறிவுராய் ஊற்றமுடையாய் பெரியாய் உலகினில் தோற்றமாய் நின்ற சுடரே துயிலழாய் மாற்றார் உனக்கு வழி தொலைந்துன் வாசற்கண் ஆற்றாது உன் அடிபணியுமா போலே போற்றியாம் வந்தோம் புகழ்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். Where she says, we come here just like the cows and the calf coming to the cow for milk. ஆற்றப்படைத்தான் மகனே. So she said, you have made us, O Lord. And Periyai, you are the biggest among the big. You are the Adimurti. And you shine in this world like a Sudar or a Jyoti. We have come to your doors, Vasarkan, and we sing in praise of you, so please come and bless us. There are two Dividesams which are related to this Pasuram. One is Periyai, where she sings about Thirukkannamangai, and she also sings about Atrappadaithan Mahane. Where do we call Perumal Mahan? That is in Tirunarayapuram, where Chellapillai, Bhagavan becomes the son of Ramanuja, Ebermana. So we will now see the Pasurams from Periya Tirumozhi of Tirumangiyalvar relating to this Tirupavai 21 Pasuram, Periyai and Perumbasukkal Atrappadaithan. Now let us see the Pasuram for Thirukkannamangai. Kannamangai Nayaki or Abhishekavalli Sameda Bhaktavatsala Perumal. He is also known as Pattaravi Perumal. The words in the Pasuram relate to Periyai and Perum Pasukkal Atrappadaithan Magane. Perumpura Kadalai is how Tirumangiyalvar in his Periya Tirumozhi 7.10 starts. Periyai and Perumpura Kadalai is how he starts it. Then when we look at the other side of the Pasuram, Maatrar unakku vali tolaindu. How does Perumal remove all the problems, or how he removes his the difficulties in this Leela Vibhuti? He uses his Panchajanyam or the Shankanadam with which he destroys the evil. The Pasuram goes as 7.10.1 starts with Perumbura Kadalai Adaletrinai Pennai Aanai Ennil Munivar Karul Tanum Tavattai Muttin Tiral Kovayai Pattaraviai Nittilar Tottinai Arimbinai Alarai Adiyen Manatha Asayai Amadam Podiyin Suvai Karimbinai Kaniyai Chendinadi Kannamangayul Kandene. What beautiful Pasuram. Now he sings about the Penchankam in the last Pasuram of 7.10.10 in about Thirukkannamangai. He sings, Kannamangayul Kandugonden Endre Kadalal Kaligani Uraiseda Vanna un Tamil Onbodod Ondrivai Vallarai Uraipai Madhyam Taval Vinnil Vinnavarai Mahilveiduvar Meimai Sollil Vensangam Ondri Endiya Kanna Nindanakum Kuripagil Karkalam Kaviyin Poruldane. So he says, Kanna, in Kannamangai, Patravi Perumal, having the Shankam removes all the difficulties. Now to experience Tirunarayanapuram in this Pasuram, let us transport ourselves to Melkot with Bhagavat Ramanuja. Perum Pasukkal Aatra Padaithan Mahane. It is Ethiraj Sampath Kumara. Like Perum Pasukkal. Like he had a lot of great scholars who were like cows in front of him, who came to receive his knowledge. So that is Perum Pasukkal Aatra Padaithan. Now, the Lord of Tirunarayanapuram is also Bhagavat Ramanuja's son, because he is a Chellapillai, as he came to Perumal on his own. So, then the other thing what we see here is Ulaginil Thotramai Nindra Sudare. Bhagavan here was hidden in an anthill and then revealed himself to the world. So, Thotramai Nindra Sudare. So, he shows himself up for us to see. So, in this Pasuram, Etra Kalangal, we have experienced two Divyadesams, which are Thirukkannamangai and Tirunarayanapuram, Melkot. Now we come to Tirupavai, 22nd Pasuram, Anganma Nyala Tarasar. We'll see the Pasuram and then see how it relates to the beautiful Tirumalirinchole Divyadesam. Anganma Nyala Tarasar Abhimana Bangamai Vandin Pallikattir Kizhe Sangamirupar Pol Vanduthalai Peidom Kinginivaai Cheida Thamarai Poopole Sengan Chirichiride Emmel Vizhiyavo Tingalum Adityanum Ezhundar Pol Anganirandum Kondu Engal Mel Nokkudiyel Engal Mel Chavam Ezhundelor Embaavai. Here she sings about how the kings give up their ego. And we will now see the Pasuram for Tirumalirinchole. Tirumalirinchole is a small hillock on the outskirts of Madurai. Perumal is Sundaravalli Sameda Sundarabahu Perumal, Kallalagar or Sundarajan. He is the one who comes to Madurai during Meenakshi Kalyanam. Andal in this Pasuram speaks about how kings give up their egos and come and bow to Bhagavan and stand in front of his feet. Abhimana Bangamai Vandin Pallikattir Kizhe. They stand with all reverence, giving up their egos, even though they are kings. Periyalvar, in his Pasuram 4.2.7 on Tirumalirinchole, sings about the same sentiment. So we can relate this Pasuram very much to Tirumalirinchole or Alagar Kovil, which is in the suburbs of Madurai. Mannar Maruga Maithunan Mark Oru Therin Mel Munninga Nindru Molai Ezhuvitta Vanmalai Konnavil Kurverkon Nedamaran Ten Kudarkon Tennan Kondadum Ten Tirumalirincholaye. He says how Konnavil Kurverkon, that is the big kings. The kings, they Kondadum Ten Tirumalirinchole. They give up their ego, they come and they pray to the Lord with all reverence, and they celebrate the Lord. So this is how we relate this Pasuram to Tirumalancholai Alagar Koil. Sundarabhaga Perumal, Kallalagar is the Perumal who comes to Madurai for Meenakshi Kalyanam. Kurathalvan, in his Sundarabhagastvam, 128th slokam, sings very beautifully about this Sundarabhaga Perumal of Tirumalancholai. Idamime sunumo malayadvajam nripamiha swayameva hi sundara charanasatkritavanitittattvayam vanagirishwara jata manorada. Vanagirishwara, that is the one who is in the Vanam or in the Sholai, in the hill. He is very manoradam to the heart and mind. Malayadvajam, very beautiful. Sundarabhagastvam, Slokam 128 by Kurathalvan. Tirupavai Pasanam 23. Mari Malai Muranjil Mannik Kidandurangum Siriya Singam Marivittu Thee Vizhittu Veri Mayir Ponga Eppadum Pendudari Moorinimiந்து Murangi Purappattu Podaruma Pole Ni Poovai Poovanna Un Koyil Nindringane Pondaruli Koppodiya Siriya Singasanathirundu Yam Vanda Karyam Aarayindu Arulelor Embavai. Here, Andalachar, along with her Sakhis, asked Bhagavan to find out the reason or to research the reason why they are all there in his temple or in his home. She says, you are like a lion, roaring lion, who walks very beautifully and comes. And you are also the Poovai Poovanna. You are very soft as a flower. So, you are both. You are ferocious like a lion and you are very majestic. And you are also soft towards your bhaktas. So, now it's time for you to find out why we are here. The Divyadesam related to this Pasuram is Bhuloka Vaikuntham, which is Srirangam. We will now see how we relate to that. Nammalvar in Thiruvaimozhi 6.2.3 sings about the beauty of Arangan's walk, Nadayazhu. ஞாலத்தூடே நடந்தன் என்றும் கிடந்து இருந்தும் சாலப் பலநாள் உகம் சோறு உயிர்கள் காப்பானே கோலத் திருமா மகளோடு உன்னை கூடாதே சாலப் பலநாள் அடியேன் இன்னம் தளர்வேனோ. He says, I don't want to be more tired. I just want to see the beauty of your walk and when you stand and when you lie down and when you're sitting. In all the postures, I want to see you. He sings about the beauty of Perumal's Nadayazhu, Nammalvar, Thiruvaimozhi 6.2.3. In this Pasuram, Andal sings about the beauty of Perumal's walk, his majestic walk. Arangan Nadayazhu, it's called Kaitala Seva. Thiruvarangam, Bhuloka Vaikuntham, Ranganayaki Thayar, Sameda, Ranganathan, Periya Perumal, or is also known as Namperumal, because he belongs to all of us. Nammaloda Perumal. So he is Namperumal. The phrase says, Un Koyil Nindringane Pondaruli. It is known as, well, when you talk about Koyil, it is Thiruvarangam only. So when we say that I'm standing in your front of your temple, so it obviously relates to Thiruvarangam, which is the first temple. She also seeks the beauty of Perumal's walk. Podarma Pole in Srirangam, the Kaitala Seva, Aranganoda Nadayar is very famous. In Thiruvaimari Pasaram 9.3, Nammalvar sings about Perumal's Nadayaragu. The 24th Pasaram is about Andal and her Sakis singing the poetry for Perumal, or singing the praise of Perumal. And then she pleads with them to come down and bless her. அன்று இவ்வுலகம் மலர்ந்தாய் அடிபோற்றி சென்றங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாய் திரள் போற்றி பொண்டச் சகனம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி கன்று குணிலாய் எழுந்தாய் கழல் போற்றி குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய் குணம் போற்றி வென்று பகையெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி என்றென்றும் சேவகமே ஏந்திப் பறை கொள்வான் இன்றியாம் வந்தோம் இரங்கேலோர் எம்பாவாய். Here we can see several stories or several pasarams. We can see the Vamanavataram, and we can see Thirukovalur and Ulagananda Perumal, Kanchipuram, Uragathar. In this pasaram, the first line, அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தாய் அடிபோற்றி. Then we can see Ramavataram, சென்றெங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாய் திரள் போற்றி. குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய். This is because it's raised to Krishna, so குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய் is Govardhanagiri. How and it shows his gunam, his Kalyana gunam. How Bhagavan is protecting everybody under the Govardhana hills when Indra is pouring incessant rain because of his anger, as the people of Gokulam did not worship him as usual. So we can take this pasaram as related to Govardhanagiri. And then she said, Indriyam Vandom, we have come here today. Hirangelo Rambava, please come down and bless us, give us your blessings. We'll see the pasarams, Periyarvar pasaram now. Periyarvar dedicates his one Padigam, 3.5, 1 to 10 on Govardhanagiri. We'll see the pasaram 3.5.10 where he sings about the gunam of Perumal. கொடியேறு செந்தாமரை கை விரல்கள் கோலமும் வழிந்தில வாடிற்றில வடிவிரு தெருவுகிர் நொந்துமில மணிவண்ணன் மலையும்போர் சம்பிரதம் முடியேறிய மாமுகில் பல்கணங்கள் முன்னெட்டி நுரைத்தன போல எங்கும் குடியேறி இருந்து மழை பொழியும் கோவர்தனம் என்னும் கொற்றக்குடையே. So he sings how Govardhanam became an umbrella under which Bhagavan brought all the living beings of Gokulam under the Govardhanam and protected them from Indra. Thirukkannapuram, Kannapura Nayaki Sameda, Neelameha Perumal. In the 25th Pasaram, Andal sings about the Krishna Avataram. She says how he was born to a mother and then he grew up in another place and how he killed King Kamsa. And she says how we sing here for removing of all our distress, and then Krishna will make us happy. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளிந்து வளர தருக்கிலானாயித்தான் தீங்கி நினைத்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்த கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் நெருப்பென்ன நிழலுமாலே உன்னை அறுத்தித்து வந்தோம் பரதறியாகில் திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவமும் யாம் பாடி வருத்தமும் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். She is asking for parai, which is moksha, and says that give us moksha, redeem us from this life of birth and death, this cycle. So she says how Perumal was born in one place and then he was growing up in another place. He says, Varuttam Tirnda, you remove all our sorrows by giving us moksha and make us happy. We will see about Thirumangalvar Pasanam on Thirukkannapuram, because this is about Kannan. So we see Thirukkannapuram, where Perumal gives moksha. Thirumangalvar brings the same sentiment as Andal, says how he was born during the Krishna Avataram and his actions. How he removed the chain from his father's Vasudeva's leg and made him take him over to Yashodamata. தந்தை காலில் விலங்கர வந்து தோன்றிய தோன்றல் பின் தமியேன் தன் சிந்தை போயிற்று திருவருள் அவனிடப் பெரும் அளவிருந்தேனை அந்தி காவல நமுதுரு பசுங்கதிர் அவை சுட அதனொடும் மந்த மாருதம் வனமுலை தட வந்து வலி செய்வது ஒழியாதே மாறி மாக்கடல் வளைவனர்க்கு இளையவன் வரைபுரை திருமார்பில் தாரின் ஆசை போயின நெஞ்சமும் தாழ்ந்ததோ துணை காணேன் ஊரும் துஞ்சிற்று உலகமும் துயின்றது ஒளியவன் விசும்பு இயங்கும் தேரும் போயிற்று திசைகளும் மறைந்தன செய்வது ஒன்று அறியேனே. He says about Krishna Avatar and how he also during the Rama Avataram gives the Rajyam or the kingdom to his brother, to his Ilayavan. Andal is asking Parai. She is asking moksha in this pasanam. She says, Paritharidiyagil Tiruttakka Shalom Shevam Yam Padi Varutam Tirna Mahindero Rambhavai. So she said, we will all be very happy if you give us Parai, which is moksha. Namalvar sings in his Thiruvaimozhi 9.10.5 how Thirukkannapuram Perumal is the one who gives moksha. When you do Sharanagati, Andal is already doing Sharanagati to Perumal, and here he sings, if one does Sharanagati to Perumal in Thirukkannapuram, he gives us moksha. Sharanamagum தனதால் அடைந்தார்க்கெல்லாம் மரணமானால் வைகுந்தம் கொடுக்கும் பிரான் அரண் அமைந்த மதில் சூழ் திருக்கண்ணபுரத் தரணியாளன் தனது அன்பர்க்கு அன்பாகுமே. So he says, Sharanamahum, whoever surrenders to him at the time of death or after death, Bhagavan gives Vaigundam Kodukkum Piran. So we relate this pasaram as Mokshagati Perumal. Thirukkannapuram, Nilamaya Perumal, relating to pasaram 25. Pasaram 26 of Tirupavai starts with Male Manivanna. Very beautiful, and she says how he was in the Alinilai, that is in the leaf. He was found in the Alalai as a little baby during the Pralayam. The Pasaram goes as Male Manivanna Margari Neeraduvan மேலையார் செய்வினகள் வேண்டுவன கேட்டியேல் ஞாலத்தை எல்லாம் நடுங்க முரல்வன பாலன்ன மன்னத்துன் பாஞ்சஜன்யமே போல்வல சங்கங்கள் போய்ப்பாருடையனவே சாலப் பெரும்பரே பல்லாண்டு செய்ப்பாரே கோல விளக்கே கொடியே விதானமே ஆலிநிலையாய் அருளேலோர் எம்பாவாய். Here Andal sings about her own home, Srivilliputturu, where Perumal is known as Vatapatra Sai. Patram is leaf, where Perumal is lying down on the Vatapatram, that is on the Alalai. So that is a Divyachesam which is related to this Pasaram, Male Manivanna. Just as Andal experienced Lord Krishna in the Alinilai, that is in the Vatapatram, and we related to Srivilliputturu, Periyalvar also experiences Perumal or Kannan in the Alilai. So both of them are from Srivilliputturu, which relates to this Pasaram. Periyalvar Tirumazhi 1.4.7 பாலகன் என்று பரிபவம் செய்யேல் பண்டொரு நாள் ஆளின் நிலை வளர்ந்த சிறுக்கன் அவன் இவன் மேல் ஏழப் பாய்ந்து பிடித்துக் கொள்ளும் வெகுளுமேல் மாலை மதியாதே மாமதி மகிழ்ந்தோடி வா. Periyalvar is putting himself in the form of Yashoda and having joy with Perumal. So in various ways, like in the Pasaram of Vennaiyalandu Konunga, he is calling Perumal to have a bath. Then he says how Perumal will come at the back and keep pricking her. So like that, so many Pasarams. But in this Pasaram, he says, don't think that this is a little boy who was in the Alalai, but he is very big. He is very மேலழ பாய்ந்து, so திருக்கண்ணிவன் பிடித்துக்கொள்ளும் வெகுளுமேல். So he can do great things. And he said, this little boy, Mahinda Odiva, enjoy and come to me with joy. This is how Yashoda Mata is calling. So Periyalvar puts himself as Yashoda Mata and calls him. But the Alalai or the Vatapatra Sai is Srivilliputturu. Andal in this Pasuram gives the Divyadesam in the very first line. She says, Kudarai Vellum Seer Govinda. Where is Govinda? Govinda is in Thiruvengadam. Thiruvengadamudaiyan, Alarmel Mangai, Padmavati Sameda, Srinivasa Perumal, Thiruvengadamudaiyan, Venkatachalapati, Om Namo Venkatesaya, Govinda Hari Govinda. And she also says, Kodi iranda kulurvom. She says, all of us, we will be together and enjoy Bhagavan, which is what we should always do, as be it family or friends or even unknown people. If we all are together, when we go to the temple, we see so many people and we are all enjoying Bhagavan together. So that is Kodi iranda kulurvom. Thiruvengadamudaiyan. The 27th Pasuram is when Andal sings about how the Nomb comes to an end and how they will wear new clothes and offer Chakkarapongal or Akkaradisal to Perumal. And it says, Kudarai Vellum Seer Govinda Undannai Padi Paregondu Yambar Sammanam Naadu Pugalum Parthinal Nandraga Todagame Tolvalaye Tode Sevippoove Padagame Endaniya Palgalanum Yamanivom Adayuduppom Adan Pinne Paachore Mudanai Peida Mudangai Vadivara Koodiyirundhu Kulindhelor Embavai. Andal in Nachiyar Thirumozhi calls Thiruvengadam as Kulir Aruvi. Kulir means it's a chill waterfalls. Bhagavan's Saulabhyam is like a chill waterfalls in Thiruvengadam, as told by Andal herself in Nachiyar Thirumozhi. Nammalvar in Thiruvaimozhi 3.3 pleads with Bhagavan, saying that he always wants to do service to Bhagavan. Kainkaryam, Bhagavad Kainkaryam. At all the times, ஒழிவில் காலம் எல்லாம் உடனாய் மன்னி வழிவிலா அடிமை செய்ய வேண்டும் நாம் தெழில்கொள் அருவி திருவேங்கடத்து எழில்கொள் சோதி எந்தை தந்தை தந்தை கேள். He calls Bhagavan as his father. Bhagavan is Vasudevan, who is the Pita for all of us. Everybody, there is one father, that is Bhagavan. Endai Tandai Tandaike. Orivil Kalamella, all the time, without any break. Udanai Manni, Vadivila Adimai, I should never slip away from doing your service. I should always do service. To whom? Thiruvengadathu Ezhilkol Sodi. That is the Sodi or the light in Thiruvengadam. We should always think of him as father and keep doing his service. This is Nammalvar's experience. Kulasekara Alvar also melts when he is singing the glory of Tirupati Perumal or Tirumala, Govinda. He says, I want to be born something in this Tirumala. He gives so many descriptions, and finally in his last two pasurams he says how he wants to be either as the steps which is called the Kulasekara Padi, that is, which is close to Perumal, so that he can lift his eyes, his face, and see Perumal's face, Pavaravai. And as his bhaktas are walking through that padi over him, and he can lift his face and see, or he wants to be born as something, ஏதேனும் பிறப்பேனே செடியாய வல்வினைகள் தீர்க்கும் திருமாலே நெடியானே வேங்கடவா நின் கோயிலின் வாசல் அடியாரும் வானவரும் அறம்பயரும் கிடந்தியங்கும் படியாய்க் கிடந்து உன் பவளவாய் காண்பேனே. The next pasuram, he says, 4.10, செம்பவளவாயான் திருவேங்கடம் என்னும் எம்பெருமான் பொன்மனை மேல் ஏதேனும் ஆவேனே. Anything, I don't mind whatever, as long as I am born on the hills of Tirumala. That is the glory of Perumal and the beauty of how we see his Saulabhyam and how his bhaktas are waiting to see him in Tirumala. Now we come to the 28th Pasuram, just the ones before the Sharanagati Pasuram or the Satamari Pasuram. She sings about Ayarpadi and how Bhagavan is enjoying himself in the Ayarpadi with all the Yadavas and the cows and the cowherds. கறவைகள் பின் சென்று கானம் சேர்ந்துண்போம் அறி ஒன்றுமில்லாத ஆய்குலத்து உந்தன்னை பிறவி பெருந்தனை புண்ணியம் யாமுடையோம் குறை ஒன்றுமில்லாத கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கிங் ஒழிக்க ஒழியாது அறியாத பிள்ளைகளோம் அன்பினால் உந்தன்னை சீர்பேர் அழைத்தனவும் சீரி அருளாதே இறைவா நீ தாராய் பறையேலோர் அம்பாவாய். She is again asking for parai, for moksha. She says, Karavaigal pinchendu, we all are going together to the Ganam or to the forest. And who is coming along with us? Arivondramillada Aikulatha. That is, all the people who are coming. They don't know anything excepting Krishna. Whatever Krishna says, we'll do. So we'll do everything what he says. And that is a punyam we have. Because we don't have any self-knowledge. We don't think about anything. We just think about you and you follow what you say. And you are kurai ondrumillai. You have no blemishes. You are sagunam. You are full of all sattva gunas. There is no bad guna in you. And we will be with you. உந்தன்னோடு நமக்கு உறவேல். உந்தன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கு. We have the relationship between you and us is never going to be removed. So there is always a constant bandham between the Bhagavan and the Jivatmas. That is the relationship. And that can never be removed. We are a part of Bhagavan himself. So she says, Siribir Arethanum, we come and call, Shiri Arulade. You do not get angry. Iraiva Tarai Parayelo. Now she is begging him and telling him, please, 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 give us Parai. Give us Moksha. A very beautiful Pasuram, and which shows practically how Lord Krishna spent his time in Ayarpadi. Beautiful. Ayarpadi is Vrindavan. Andal Nachiyar in Nachiyar Tirumazhi 14.1 sings about the experience of Krishna. Nachiyar Tirumazhi itself is her experiencing Krishna and her tabam, why he is not coming to marry her. And in this Pasuram, he says how she sees Krishna in Vrindavan. பட்டி மேய்ந்தோர் காரேறு பலதேவர்கோர் கீழ்கன்றாய் இட்டீரிட்டு விளையாடி இங்கே போதக் கண்டீரே இட்டமான பசுக்களை இனிது மறுத்து நீரூட்டி விட்டுக்கொண்டு விளையாட விருந்தாவனத்தே கண்டோமே. She says how we see in Vrindavan how Krishna is going along with Patti Mehindor. That is, Patti is cows. How they go along with the cows and how they are enjoying the pasu and how they take them over and they are playing. this is Vrindavan Anubhavam of Andal Nachiyar, both in Nachiyar Tirumozhi and Tirupavai, Pasaram 28. Tirupavai, 29th and 30th Pasaram are called as Sathmurai Pasarams. They are always sung during any prayers that is offered to Perumal. And here, Andal Nachiyar sings about how we will get up early in the morning and we will get the lotus flowers and then we will pray to you. And not only now, we will always pray, Endraikum Ere Piravikum. That is, in all the Janmas, we will keep praying to you and we will always be your subordinates. Unakke naam aachaivam. Unakke, only to you we will do our service. And so, you remove all our kamams, all our unwanted distractions and change us for the better. She is pleading with Bhagavan. And the word here is, Unakke naam aachaivam. We will do only to you. So it is Ekantama, only Mahavishwasam and Sharanagati is told here. சித்தஞ்சிறுகாலே வந்து உன்னை சேவித்து உன் பொற்றாமர் அடியே போற்றும் பொருள்களாய் பெற்றம்மை தொன்னும் குலத்தில் பிறந்து நீ கொற்றேவல் எங்களை கொள்ளாமல் போகாது எற்றை பறைகொள்வான் அன்றுகான் கோவிந்தா எற்றைக்கும் ஏழேழ் பிறவிக்கும் உந்தன்னோடுத்தோமே ஆவோம் உனக்கே நாமாச் செய்வோம் மற்றைனும் காமங்கள் மாற்றேலோர் எம்பாவாய். She sings about Dwarakapati, Dwarakadisha, Srinathji, and says that we will always do service only to you. That is total Sharanagati, unconditional Sharanagati and Mahavishwasa. We know that you are the only one who can give us and you will do it and we will pray to you for that. Unakke naamaach seivom. Now we'll see a pasaram for Dwarakapati. Periyalvar in his Tirumozhi 4.1.6 sings on Dwarakapati. Polla vadivudai pechu tunja புனர்முலை வாய்மடுக்க வல்லானை மாமணி வண்ணனை மருவமிடம் நாடுதிரேல் பல்லாயிரம் பெருந்தேவிமாரோடு பவ்வம் எரிதுவரை எல்லாரும் சூழ சிங்காசனத்தே இருந்தானைக் கண்டார் உளர். He says how Perumal is in Dwaraka with all the gopikas. That is பல்லாயிரம் தேவிமாரோடு, பெருந்தேவிமாரோடு, not only in him, பெருந்தேவிமாரோடு. And he is sitting in his Singhasanam, or his throne. Perumal is sitting there. So Dwaraka is equivalent to Paramapadam, as Periyalvar describes. The final pasaram is Vangakkadal Kadainda. It is about Perumal in Thirupparkadal. Perumal is in Saina Thirukkolam, which is also in Srivilliputturu, how he is lying down. Vangakkadal Kadainda Madhavanai Kesavanai Tingal Tirumugattuச் செய்தியார் சென்றிரஞ்சி அங்கப் பறைகொண்ட வாற்றை அணிபுதுவை பைங்கமலத் தந்தரியல் பட்டர்பிரான் கோதை சொன்ன சங்கத் தமிழ் மாலை 30 தப்பாமே இங்கு இப்பரிசுரைப்பார் இரண்டு மால்வரை தோள் செங்கண் திருமுகத்துச் செல்வத் திருமாலால் எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று இன்புறுவர் எம்பாவாய். She says, those who sing these songs, this is actually Palashruti, where she says how all those who sing this song will be blessed by Bhagavan. Thiruvarul Petru Sengan Tirumugattuச் Selva Thirumalal. so that Bhagavan will bless everybody. The last pasuram of Tiruppai Vangakadal Kadainda refers to Thriviliputtur. Both Periyalvar and Andal sing about each other in Thriviliputtur. Periyalvar in his Periyathamazhi 2.2.6 sings about the Virikural மேல் நுழைந்த வண்டு, which means that how on the garland he saw the hair of Andal. Similarly, in Nachaya Tirumazhi 5.5, Andal sings about Villiputtur Uraivan, that is the Periyalvar, how he overcame the king's questions and answered him in the Sabha and got the Porkili. Very beautiful pasarams indeed, and a very nice way of finishing of Tiruppai. Now first we'll see Periyalvar Tirumazhi. மின்னணைய நுழையார் விரிகுழல் மேல் நுழைந்த வண்டு இன்னிசைக்கும் வில்லிபுத்தூர் இனிதமர்ந்தாய் உன்னைக் கண்டார் என்ன நோன்பு நூற்றாள் கொலோ இவன் பெற்ற வயிறுடையாள் என்னும் வார்த்தை எய்துவித்த இருடி கேசா முலையுணாயே. Now let's see Nachaya Tirumazhi. மென்னடை அன்னம் பறந்து விளையாடும் வில்லிபுத்தூர் உறைவான் தன் பொன்னடி காண்பதோர் ஆசையினால் என் பெருகையற் கண்ணினை துஞ்சா என் அடிசிலோடு பால் அமுதூட்டி எடுத்த என் கோலக் கிளியை உன்னோடு தோழமை கொள்ளுவன் குயிலே உல அளந்தான் வரக்கூவாய். She is asking the quail or the koyal or the cuckoo bird to ask Ulagalandan, that is the Krishna who came in the Varaha Perumal or the Vamana Avataram, to come as Krishna and marry Andal. Swami Desakan's Anuvam Vandal is the fume of this beautiful slokam. Sri Vishnu Chitta Kulanandana Kalpavallim Sri Rangaraja Harichandana Yoga Drishyam Sakshat Chamam Karunayam Kamalamevyanam Godam Ananya Sarana Sharanam Prabhatye. Now let us sing the Vazhipattu of Andal to complete the Tiruppai. The first sings about the beauty of or the greatness of Thriviliputtur. The greatness of Thriviliputtur is the birth of Andal in Thriviliputtur. So it sings as கோதை பிறந்த ஊர் கோவிந்தன் வாழுமூர் சோதிமணி மாடம் தோன்றுமூர் நீதியால் நல்ல பக்தர் வாழுமூர் நால்மறைகள் ஓதுமூர் வில்லிபுத்தூர் வேதக்கோனூர் பாதங்கள் தீர்க்கும் பரமனடி காட்டும் வேதம் அனைத்துக்கும் வித்தாகும் கோதை தமிழ் ஐந்தும் அறியாத மானினரை வையம் சுமப்பதும் வம்பு.
வாழியே திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள் வாழியே பெரியாழ்வார் பெற்றெடுத்த பெண்பிள்ளை வாழியே பெரும்பூதூர் மாமுனிக்குப் பின்னானாள் வாழியே 143 வாழியே உயிரரங்கற்கே கனி வந்தளித்தாள் வாழியே மறுவாரும் திருமல்லி வளநாடி வாழியே வன் புதுவையினர் கோதை மலர்பதங்கள் வாழியே.
Now let us sing the ஆண்டாள் வாழிப்பாட்டு. திருவாடிப்பூரத்தில் ஜெகத்துதித்தாள் வாழியே, திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள் வாழியே, பெரியாழ்வார் பெற்றெடுத்த பெண்பிள்ளை வாழியே, பெரும்பூதூர் மாமுனிக்குப் பெண்ணானாள் வாழியே, 143 உரைத்தாள் வாழியே, உயர் அரங்கற்கே கன்னி உகந்தளித்தாள் வாழியே, மறுவாரும் திருமல்லி வளநாடி வாழியே, வண்புதுவை நவர்கோதை மலர்பதங்கள் வாழியே. ஸ்ரீமதே ரமஜாமானி முனீந்திராய ஸ்ரீரங்கவாசினே பூயாத் நித்யஸ்ரீ நித்யமங்கலம். ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். Now you listen to the Veeda sing music by Aarti Partari, மாலை மாற்றினால் மாலை சாற்றினால், which will conclude this Tirupavai Divya Desam with ஆண்டாள் திருக்கல்யாணம். With Bhagavan's Anugraham and blessings of all elders, see you all in our next Vaishnava Anubhavam. Adiyongal Dasoham, Dandavat Pranams and Dhanyosmi for joining us in our Tirupavayum Divya Desangalam, Margazhi 2024-25 final session. Thank you for joining us in our Vaishnava from Parthasarathy family. Please share with like-minded friends your Vaishnava on Vrindavan. Adiyongal Parthasarathy Srinivasan family. Dhanyosmi.